Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up a macaroni salad. I know a lot of us are looking for those. The barbecues are going to they're going to start up here pretty quick with 4th of July coming, and I hope you guys have a great one. Everything I'm adding in this macaroni salad is in the description, okay? So let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to make our dressing. Here I have my mayonnaise. My pickle relish. Now, I know a lot of us all make this up different. I have, how many ways, Curtis, do I do this? I can't even count. I always do it different. Same thing with my potato salad. We always add something different, take away and add something else. It's endless the things you can add in here. There's my Dijon mustard. My sugar. Now there's savory, and then there's kind of a sweet macaroni salad. This one's a little bit more sweeter. Not real sweet, but a little bit of sweetness. There's our garlic, our pepper, and our salt, vinegar, and we'll just get this mixed up. Okay, I cooked me up a pound of some elbow macaroni. You can see there, a pound of it. Cook it to your box directions, or if you like it a little bit more tender or a little bit more chew to it, you do what you like. Okay, so this is going to be quick. I got some crumbled bacon. I have some eggs. I hope I don't need a bigger bowl. And I have all of my chopped veggies here. Onions and celery and bell pepper. Some purple onion there. I like to use purple or green. And we'll just kind of get this mixed up a little bit. Get that dressing in there. Got my yummy dressing. We're just going to pour that over that. Now this is crucial. You have to, just like any good macaroni or potato salad, pasta, cold pasta salads, you have to let them set up at least, I would say, 4 hours. If you can let it set overnight, like if you want to make this for 4th of July, try to make it right before bedtime. That way it has time to set up overnight. Or early in the morning on the 4th. And let it set all day, at least maybe 5 hours. But I'll get this mixed up and bowled up. And ta-da, there it is, y'all. Now I'm going to put some saran wrap, or if you got a bowl with a lid. This bowl here, it doesn't have a lid, so I'll put some saran wrap on that and let it hang out in the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours. And there it is. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. That helps support my channel. Go check out my merchandise. Got some nice stuff on there. And like I said, everything you need for this is in the description. I guess that's about it. And I hope you guys have a safe, very safe, and happy 4th of July. And I'm sorry I'm running late, y'all. But I made it, so make you up some of this macaroni salad. We will see you. I'm not going to taste it yet because I want it to set up. Look, I got me a fork ready. It's just a habit to do with y'all. But we'll see y'all next week. You guys have a blessed one and stay safe. Love y'all. Bye-bye.